Welcome back, friends. Welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show you guys how you can make a new drive if you have only one C drive or a system drive and you are interested to make a new drive out of it. So how you can do it. So we are going to show you in this video. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Explorer and go to this PC. And here you see this is the drive. This is a C drive, and we want to shrink this drive and create a new drive. Right click on it, go to properties, and here you see this is the free space available on this drive is 23.2 GB. So we want to create a new drive with the help of this free space. So for that, we will right click on this PC and go to manage, and here just click on disk management. And here you see this is the C drive. Right click on it and click on shrink volume. And now just open your browser and go to new tab and type GP to MBs converter, because you have to write the space in MBs. And if you have any confusion related in converting from GPs to MBs, that is really simple. But if you have any confusion, you can use this online calculator. So with the help of that, you can easily calculate. So here we need to wait for a while. Yeah. So here, enter the amount of space we need to apply the space. If we want 20 gigabits of storage, then we have to write 20,000 megabytes. So just copy 20,000 and paste it over here. So this is the size, and you see this size is increased from the size that is available. So we need to decrease the size of it. So we create 19,000 megabyte. And after selecting 19,000, now it's okay. Now we are going to click on shrink volume. So it would start, the process will start, and it will now start to create a new drive, a new unallocated space for us of about 19,000 megabytes of free space. So this is the unallocated space we got from the 19,000 megabits storage. So here you see this is not showing here. So now we need to allocate this size in order to show the drive. Right click on it and go to new simple volume. And then click on next. And now here we have to select the size of we will write as same and click on next. And then we have to assign a drive letter. We assign D and then click on next. And after that, we are not going to change the file system, and allocate unit size will be default. And we will change the volume label to my drive and click on next. And then click on finish. And it will start formatting and the unallocated space. And here you see your drive is now active. Let us see. Yeah, here you see my drive D is now available, and we have now 3 drives here. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah, we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.